Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making these delicious protein cookies. Keep watching. In a bowl, add in your dry ingredients. I'm using the protein powder, and I also added almond flour just to mix it up. But yes, you could use only the protein powder or you could use only almond flour. So then the next thing you add is your peanut butter, melted peanut butter. I'll drop detailed measurements in the description. Then add in 1 egg and your sweetener of choice. This is the sweetener I use. You could use any zero sugar sweetener. Next thing, you mix everything together. Just give it a good mix until everything is properly combined and you're able to form a dough. Once you form your dough, then you cut into smaller portions and roll it into smaller doughs and place in your baking tray. Use the fork to make an impression on it and also to flatten it down a bit. And then you bake in your preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes and your protein cookies are ready. This is a great snack for you on your diet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in my next video.